Hey guys, welcome to this new session of career series. In this session, we will talk about what are the different CAD softwares and their industrial application. So we can divide CAD softwares into three categories. So the category 1, those CAD softwares which has a capability of doing only 2D drawing, which can create only 2D drawing. So the software that is used only to create 2D drawing is AutoCAD. Now AutoCAD has a very limited applications in mechanical industry as it has a capability of creating only 2D drawing. So in mechanical industry it has a very limited application, but it has a great applications for electrical engineers for creating circuit design, for architects, for civil engineers for creating layouts. Okay, now coming to the category 2. Now category 2 are those softwares which are very good in solid modeling. Now what does solid modeling includes? It includes creating sketches, creating 3D part, or we can say part design. It includes it includes assembly design. It also includes creating 2D drawings. So there are certain softwares which are very good in solid modeling. So what are those softwares? Those softwares are Creo, Onshape, SolidWorks, SolidEdge, and Inventor. So these are the softwares which are very good in creating solid modeling. Now these are used by the industries mostly preferring only solid modeling workbench. Now what are those industries? Those industries are heavy machineries, industries which are into designing of big machineries. It includes construction equipments, mining equipments. For automotive, it includes chassis design, engine design, gearbox design. It is also used by industries for designing jigs, fixtures. It is also used by industries for tooling design. Okay, so these are the various applications where these are the various products which are being designed using the CAD software which are good in solid modeling. Okay. Now coming to the third category, the advanced category, the category 3. Now these are the softwares which are advanced softwares, which are very good in drawing, which are very good in solid modeling, and which are also very good in surfacing. So these are the softwares, and the softwares which are advanced softwares are CATIA and NX. Now they are very advanced and has a wide application because they are capable of designing any product either by using solid modeling or by using a surfacing workbench. Now what are their industrial applications? They are used by industries, they are used by automotive industries. The entire body of a vehicle is designed in CATIA or NX, the exterior body, the interior body. These are also used by aviation industry, shipping industry. These are also used by home appliances industry, packaging industry. So it has a wide application. Okay. Hope this video has given you a brief idea what are the different CAD softwares and what are their industrial application. Now this will help you to select and learn the right software for your bright future. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in a next video.